So we went ahead and turned off the lights because you guys can see the indicator light on here. And there's the fan speed indicator light. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Greenote's True HEPA Air Purifier. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. 3 fan speeds, a timer setting for 2, 4, or 8 hours, sleep mode, and filter change reminder. Alright, so they give you a manual, power supply, and the filter itself. So right away, they give a warning. Before using this product, please take out the product from the plastic bag, otherwise the air purifier may not, yes. So make sure you read that. Peel this off. Go ahead under here, turn this upside down, grab it and twist. Take the plastic bag off the air filter. Drop it right back down in, make sure it's lined up. Place this down in again, line this up, and then twist it the other way. And now you have it in place, and now you're good to go. Go ahead. So they do provide you with plenty of cable, so you can set it fairly far away from an outlet. Okay, so take a look on the back here. This is where you plug it in. Once it's plugged in, it will make a sound. Go ahead, tap the button for on. It slowly turns on. Tap over here for fan speed. So let's see, you have low, medium, and high. So it's actually not crazy loud, and what it does is this one pulls in air from the bottom, which is actually kind of nice because a lot of dust settles down, and as it comes down it gets pulled and sucked in here. I can actually feel the air being pulled in, and then it blows it out here. So we went ahead and turned off the lights because you guys can see the indicator light on here. And there's the fan speed indicator light. 2-hour timer, 4 hours, and 8 hours. Overall, this is very nice.